Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. Summer is here. At least I think it is. Siri, when does summer start?
Summer begins June 21st, 2018.
Well, summer almost started, that is. I feel like I'm too high in frame. Hold on, let me just, ooh. Oh, that was way too much. Summer is right around the corner and I am in the mood for a summer transformation. It is time to bust the sweat out and look glistening on the beach. Or if you're a vampire like me, you stay in-house and don't go to beaches because you're too scared that your glam is gonna melt away. This one's for you. Today I wanna bring the heat and really serve you some glam. And it all started because of this. Let me grab it. It all started because of this right here. I got the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil highlighter in this duo right here. This one right here. Now imagine Charlize Theron on a beach with a beautiful sunset. The sun is glistening her face. She looks down at the sand and boom, this is on her lid. This color right here is a Dior perfume ad in a shadow. This is what all the gorgeous gals wear when they want to look sexy on the beach and they're like, oh my God, me, I don't wear a stitch of makeup. Powder me. So without any further ado, let's get this summer transformation started. If you thought this video was all about showing you how to wear a light coverage layer of foundation to the summer days, this is not the video. I'm so sorry, my dear, but your navigation sent you to the wrong address. I do, however, have a separate video from, I believe, a year ago on where I really go in and show you how to make a long-lasting full coverage base for summer. So definitely go check it out. You can click it on the screen right now. And that is mostly the technique that I'll be following today. Now, I definitely want to prime because we live in the golden age of primers. And first of all, of course, always, Tatcha Silk Canvas. This is a must. Now, I also have this. You see this? I know. You're like, what? But then you're like, oh my gosh. This right here is by Iconic London. It is called the Water Mist Original, and it says Prep, Set, Glow. So I want to spray this on my face as a prep, and after to give me that intense glow. Am I glowy? Now it's time for foundation, and my favorite at the moment, and especially for summer, is by Maybelline. This is the 24-hour Super Stay. Oh, and if you're asking yourself, Nikki, where did your nails go? It came over and made them float away from this planet. Concealer time. It is key to set your face with powder. I'm setting my under eyes using the Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline. This is the best for the under eyes, in my opinion. And the rest of my face, I'm setting with the translucent Laura Mercier powder. All right, first things first, you are playing yourself if you're not priming your lids, putting all that hard work in for nothing. Prime, baby. Going into the Nudie Patootie palette by Laura Lee Los Angeles and taking the color Streaking. And using a Morphe M532 brush, I'm just buffing this into the crease to create dimension. There isn't really a technique that you want to follow, just get it on there, but I definitely suggest getting it all the way up here to give you that structure and warmth. Now, you know I cannot live with unblended edges, so I'm going in with Undressed and fading them away, and doing so on a MAC 221 brush. So the look I'm going for today is I want it to look as if my eyelid is glossy and wet. Now we all know glossy and wet products on the eyes don't last for up to 10 seconds. They crease. I want to have the look of a glossy eye, but not the, you know, the non-existing longevity. So now it's time to go in with that Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil highlighter. The brown portion is called Sand Castle, and this is going onto the lid, blending into the crease. That's right, shimmer in the crease. Oh my heavens, do I love this color. It is insane. Now, it's starting to get that sexy Dior perfume ad sheen, but we're not quite there yet. I wanna take it to the extreme. So this is where this little shadow comes in from Bobbi Brown. This is called a Luxe eyeshadow in the color Moonstone. This applied with a damp finger to the center of the lid going all the way up to the brow will give you that wet sheen. And yes, we're going from lash line all the way to the top. So here it is, and then stamp it on all the way up. And you know what? We're taking it even further. I'm taking one of these Stila Magnificent Metals in the color Diamond Dust and go crazy, baby. Boom! Wetness with the longevity. Now I want to highlight my inner corner using Stark from the Nudie Patootie palette. And to give the lower lash line a little bit of lovin', I'm going back in with Streaking. For lashes today, I'm going in with Goddess by Lily Lashes. All right, so those are the eyes completed, and just let's take a second. It looks what? I know I'm freaking out about a shimmery eyeshadow like I'm a lunatic, but I'm living for this. The face is looking a little neglected, so let's give it some love. First, I'm gonna be bronzing, and I'm just gonna hit the cheekbones first. So the classic bronze like you always would. Along the forehead, or shall I say 8 head, before the haters do. Beat you to it. Then I'm also taking my bronzer a little bit and going over the bridge of my nose. You always see when it's summer and you spend some time in the sun, you always have warmth around your nose and on top of your nose. So doing that today. Now I'm gonna pick up some blush. This is an orangey toned blush. This is called Modern Mandarin by MAC. And since I'll be going for like a red orange lip, this will tie in perfectly with it. Just a little bit, because you don't wanna, you know, go all the way, but still go all the way. And I'm also putting this on the nose too. So first here, get that color. Oh my God, she's back. On the nose. You know what? While I'm at it, fake freckles it is. Oh my God, I am living a freckled fantasy. I know this is not everyone's cup of tea, and that's fine. Have you heard that a lot of people are getting freckle tattoos? Actual tattoos on their faces of freckles. For highlighting, I want to look like a glowy mess. So first I'm going to highlight the tops of my cheekbones, all the important parts, and then I have a little special trick. Now, if you want to intensify that all over glisten, I also have the new Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. This has a glow to it. So if you were looking to buy this to mattify or set your face, I wouldn't really recommend it because it has a sheen and it intensifies pores or like any texture. So just in the smart spots is where you want to apply this. So let's say you want to look a little bit more glowy on the forehead. You can apply just a tiny bit right there, and it'll add that glisten and that sheen, but nothing too highlighty. Also right here, also right here. So everywhere where you want a little bit of, you know, dewiness going on, but nothing too intense, is where you apply the Hourglass Veil Powder. See how that makes you so luminous? I love it. A lip I would suggest with this is what will look so sexy with this and very, you know, like the cool girls do nowadays, is a darker outer edge with a lip liner and then fill it in with a nuder gloss. But because I want this to scream summer, I'm gonna go for a bright color today, and that color being quite the standout from MAC. And you know what? It is summer, and I do think of glosses when I think of summer, so it's time to add a little bit of funkiness. This is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss in the color Goldmine. Oh my God. And to finish everything, some setting spray, and I'm gonna go with the iconic And that, guys, concludes this summer makeup transformation. I feel like a cutesy summer goddess. If you end up recreating it, please tag me on Instagram or tweet it to me at Twitter. That all is at NikkieTutorials. So thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And my glow babies, I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.